Yes. Okay, so welcome everyone. Welcome to day number 6. And thank you everyone. Thank you Kulvinder. Thank you Fani, Akshita, Shrestha, Ashwini and Soumya for joining today's session. You had a choice to be somewhere else, but you chose to be here. So that really shows your dedication, your discipline and your commitment. And it shows like how much do you love your growth. That really I appreciate. So take your hands like this and pat your back. Lovely, awesome. I speak after me. मेरा तो जवाब नहीं.
मेरा तो
मेरा
जवाब
तो
ही नहीं।
जवाब नहीं.
मेरा तो जवाब ही नहीं।
जवाब ही नहीं. Yes, very nice. Awesome, awesome. Okay, so today we will talk about chapter number 6, which is works like magic. Works like magic. So how many of you have done yesterday practice magical money? Magical money, do you remember? Magical money. So I want everybody present here in this session. You have to be the money magnet. I want you don't to chase money. You have to attract money, right? Because you all are the money magnets in the session. We have to create the magic in each and every area, right? Okay, so today we will talk about workplace, whatever you are doing. So today we will talk about work, wherever you people are working, whether you are a working professional or a homemaker. Yeah, Soumya, you are raising hand. Do you have any question or you want to share something?
Ma'am, I made this
Okay, what is this? Let
magical hair.
the gift of health is keeping me alive. Very nice, beautiful. This is pen stand. Pen stand.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay. So you are keeping it on your table wherever like you can
Yes.
see it many times. Okay,
Hmm.
very nice. So you want to create magic in the health area
Health.
that you have chosen. Okay, very nice. Superb, super, very nice. Beautiful. Okay. Yes. Yeah, Soumya, you are also raising hand. You want to say something or you want to ask something? Or can we go ahead? Okay, I think she is traveling, maybe. Okay, yes. So today, where I was, yeah, work. So most of us are working professional, if I'm not wrong. Like some of you are coaches and some of you are homemakers. Homemaker are also like they people are also working. Whether
Ma'am,
you
I
are
have
working at home or you
messaged
are working at
my
workplace
question.
somewhere. Okay, so everybody is working. Everybody is working. So I'm giving you one statement. Please write down in your notebook. And the statement is the way you do anything, the way you do everything. I don't know, some of you must have heard this thing or I don't know. But you please write down the way you do anything, the way you do everything. किसी काम को आप जिस तरह से करते हो हर काम को उस तरह से करते हो. So you have to see for yourself how do you do your work, whatever you are doing, whether you are at your workplace or you are
What
at
did you
home.
say? And what
The
did you
way you
say?
do anything, the way you do anything, the way you do everything. किसी काम को आप किस तरह से करते हो सारे काम ही आप उसी तरह से करते हो. द वे यू डू एनीथिंग द वे यू डू एवरीथिंग. So you have to see for yourself how do you do the work, any work, whatever you are doing, whether you are standing in the kitchen, you are making chapati or you are taking your sessions, uh, like you are doing any house chores, you are doing dusting, you are doing cutting, chopping, you are doing cooking. So whatever you are doing, whether you are taking session, whether you are attending session, so how do you show up for your work? Like, how do you show up for the session? Like, some of the people are with cameras off. This is not the way we show up, right? This is not we show up. So whenever I attend my coach session, I'm the first person whose camera is always camera on, always camera on. Why? Because the way you do anything, the way you do everything. Okay. So this is for every area of your life. Wherever you go, whatever you do. So you have to do each and everything with full dedication, with full consistency. So how do you show up in your life? So let's say you are standing in the kitchen. You don't like to cook. So let's say you don't like to cook. But at the moment when you are in the kitchen and when you are cooking, so what are you guys feeling? So it might possible that you don't like it. Either you delete it, you don't want to do, so you have to delegate the work. You don't do the work. But whatever you do, you have to do with your full heart. Full heart. You have to put your all the senses, whatever you are doing. whether you are taking the session, whether you are attending the session, until and unless it's a genuine reason or genuine problem, like you are in the washroom or you are traveling or you are in the situation you cannot switch on your camera, right? So that is the other thing. So I'm just giving you the example. How do you show up in your life? So it could be one area, like how do you show up? But in your kitchen and while doing house chores, are you enjoying your house chores? If you are not enjoying, so better you delegate. So whatever you do, that you have to put your all the senses, you do it with your full heart. So that is the meaning of this statement, the way you do anything, the way you do everything. Right? So let's say now I'm talking about working professional, right? So those who are working at your workplace, whenever you are at workplace, whenever you are in front of your boss, whenever you are with your colleagues, whatever you are doing, so you have to feel happy, because happiness should be your first priority. Happiness should be your first priority. हैप्पीनेस को हमेशा अपनी फर्स्ट प्रायोरिटी पे रखना है, दैट आई हैव टू बी हैप्पी, आई हैव टू फील हैप्पी. So I told you multiple times, alignment first, action later. Alignment first, action later. So instead of finding what is wrong, try to find out what is right, what is working for me, what is right, what is good. So don't look at negative things. So he doesn't listen to me, he doesn't increase my salary, my boss is like this, my workplace is like this, nobody listens to me, I'm not getting the raise, it's been long time. Like whatever negative comes to your mind, that means you are not grateful for your work. So you don't have to speak negative, you don't have to think negative. Because whatever you repeat, whatever you think again and again, it becomes your belief. What is belief? Things that you thought again and again, again and again, again and again, that becomes your belief. Because you have repeated it multiple times. So that becomes your belief. And your belief will create the feelings, emotions. Your emotions will create your actions. Your action will create your result. And if you create positive result, you will create positive belief. So that is the loop, that is the cycle. So if you want to see positive result in your life, so you will have to be positive. Your thoughts should be positive, because your thoughts will create your belief. Law of massive action. LOMA. Right? So the way you do anything, the way you do everything. So whenever you are at your workplace, so you have to do it wholeheartedly. Whether it's a matter of closing your client, whenever you are talking to the client, whenever you are talking to your customers, whenever you are on a call. So अगर call भी कर रहे हो किसी को, customer को, किसी client को, so you have to be happy. So whatever you are doing, बच्चों को homework करवा रहे हो, you have to be happy. उनके लिए खाना बना रहे हो, you have to be happy. Never ever get frustrated, irritated, agitated. ये क्या लगा के रखा है आपने, जब देखो जंक फूड, जब देखो मैगी, जब देखो ये, जब देखो वो. नो 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 नो. Alignment first, action later. So I want you to feel happy at all times. At least we can try now onwards. Alignment means you have to be happy. So that is your alignment. You have to be happy. If you are at happy state,
negative emotions, stop the negative emotions, bring
yes, immediately. Because awareness, now you people are aware, and awareness is the first step to change. Now you people are aware that yes, most of the time we are thinking negative and it is going on autopilot. Whether it is our relationships are also going on autopilot mode. Because we haven't learned. We were never taught that how we have to live in the relationship. जैसे वो मैरिज होती है ना, मैरिज, व्हाट इज द एजेंडा ऑफ द मैरिज? एजेंडा ऑफ द मैरिज इज टू मैरी ओनली. कि ऐसे सोना है, ऐसे खाना है, ऐसे वो कबूला करना है, वो 7 फेरे लेने, 1 फेरा, 2 फेरा, 7 फेरा, इलू इलू, आई डू, वो हो गया मैरिज. और वो किसी ने नहीं सिखाया कि लाइफ में जीना कैसे है, रिलेशनशिप में जीना कैसे है. द वे आवर पेरेंट्स वर लिविंग, सो वी ऑल्सो स्टार्टेड लिविंग इन दैट वे. जैसे मम्मा ने बोला कि सासें तो वैसी होती है, सो वी ऑल्सो गॉट दैट ब्लूप्रिंट एंड वी ऑल्सो स्टार्टेड सीइंग कि हाँ भाई सास तो ऐसी होती है. It might possible, yaar, your mother-in-law is the best person on this planet Earth. So then also, because you got that blueprint from your parents, so you also start seeing your mother-in-law, okay, so ये तो होती ही ऐसी है. Are you guys getting? So we just follow the blueprint, whatever we have got in our, that is childhood conditioning, past experiences. Okay, किसी के money में accident, किसी के उसमें, because we are not following the rule. We haven't created that principle. We haven't created that constitution for our life. We have been using the blueprint of those people who are not very successful. Are they successful in relationship? Are they successful in money thing? Are they successful in career? Were they making a lot of money? Did they have beautiful relationships throughout their life? So we started following the blueprint of the people, those who were not very, successful. So where we have to go? Because success has a blueprint. We have to follow the blueprint of the successful people. If I'll be going to my husband, मैं ये कोर्स कर लूँ, ये कर, क्या करना है, फिर पैसा, एक और खर्चा. No, 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 no. So I'll be looking at those people who have already done it, who have created something massive in that particular area. If there is something related to coaching, I'll be going to coach only. If I have to learn relationship, I'll be going to those people who are good at relationships, those who have beautiful relationship. If I have to create beautiful health, I'll not go to like somebody who don't have like very good health. I'll be going to the coaches, those who have created good health. Because success has a blueprint. So similarly, we have to अभी work पे भी हमारे क्यों accident हुआ पड़े? Because we are not following the rule. What is the rule? We have to be happy first. We have to be grateful first. Because there are many people, those who are unemployed. At least we have job. At least we have job. Job तो है. So we have to be very grateful. So it's not like when you will be earning, that is only the job. Managing the home also. You are the home manager. You are the home minister of your home. So you are managing the home. That is also not very easy. In that also you have to put your all the, blood and sweat and your all the senses you have to involve. You must have seen people like ladies, they will say, okay, so I'm very tired. I'll not be like cooking. So I'll be resting. But within 15 minutes, you will see people are in the kitchen. So if you are not valuing your own words, because the world will treat you the way you treat yourself. Okay. So today, although that is not the thing, but yeah, क्यों मतलब सब जगह पे relationship में, because we are not following the rules. At workplace also, there are certain rules. So the first rule is alignment. We have to be happy. Then only we can create something. Because creation doesn't happen in desperation. So if you want to create something in your life, so वो high वाली energy को छोड़ना पड़ेगा. Right? Okay. So instead of looking at the bad, because whatever you are looking for, you will always find. You will always find. If you are looking for the problems, if you are looking for the faults, if you are looking for the excuses, if you are looking for the reasons, you will always find. But if you are looking for the opportunities, if you are looking for the solutions, if you are looking for the possibilities, that also you will always find. Because what you focus on expands. Right? So what do you want to expand? एक वो प्लेन पेपर है, उस पे एक डॉट लगा है, डॉट देखना है तो वो या फिर वो पूरा वो कैनवस देखना है. So it's up to you. Okay, so let me share the screen.
Ma'am, can I ask one doubt, ma'am?
Yes, Funny.
Ma'am, actually, whenever negative thoughts come, we can divert into the positiveness. So it was very nice. In morning, on morning, say evening, I will practice myself. I was very happy with that. But my problem is our loud ones relations like aunt, these close relations. Some kind of people continuously, you did this mistake. I was very happy. I was taking all the positive ways only. But suddenly they complain, ye karo, wo karo, you did all the mistake. These kind of words cooked, irritate. Trigger and triggering one point. All of this sudden my mood was changed, but I take some just pass this time. This is better, but came back. How I came back to my present situation now? It is
Awareness, funny awareness. So take your hand like this and put it on your heart. Check करो है, check करो है ना, heart है ना, क्या दे दिया, दिल दे दिया सनम. So who will decide what lands on your heart? Who will decide? Who will decide what lands on your heart? So you will decide, na?
Yes.
You will decide. Where is AK-47? Do you have any AK-47? Are there people putting the gun on your head? No, you have to do it. There are people, they say, my mother-in-law forces me. I always say, where is the gun? Where is AK-47? Show me the gun. Show me the gun. Where is the gun? Nobody is putting the gun on your head.
Okay.
So you have your heart inside you. So what lands on your heart? So you will decide, not anybody else. Because hurt people hurt people. If they had known better, they would have done better. They are doing their best, whatever they know. But what lands on our heart, that is our responsibility.
Okay.
It's on us. Right? So now we are aware. Right now we are aware
Yes.
that whenever we go to negative, so we have to go to positive immediately. We have to shift.
Okay. Okay.
We just have to channelize our energy from negativity to positivity.
Okay.
Earlier, we were thinking every time negative. Now we just need to shift immediately. Cancel. Stop.
Okay.
Shut up.
Yes.
Okay? Yeah,
And I
awareness.
think, ma'am, we should not take, such kind of, comments personally. We should not take it personal.
Okay.
One sir has told me very beautiful thing that don't take it personally. Don't take.
Yeah, don't
If
take
someone
it personal.
has said you that you have done something wrong, just tell to yourself that this belongs to them only, not to
Yeah,
me.
and bless them.
Okay.
Bless
Bless
them because we are working on our mindset, we are working on our heart set. Heart set हमारा दिल बहुत बड़ा है. अभी क्या हो रहा है? Our heart is expanding.
Yeah.
Right? So bless them.
Okay.
So उनको blessing भेजना है because hurt people, यार, that person is already very hurt.
Okay.
If he had known better, he would have done better.
Actually,
अगर
hurting
उसके
people,
हाथ में होता तो वो करता.
those people are not hurting, ma'am. I mean, loud ones, but they guided me. So you did wrong. So you do in this way. That was very annoying my mind because
Yeah.
I know one way what is right, but they always guided me. No, this is wrong. You do. This is yes. So
Take it
Immediately
very
that the
lightly.
person, whatever that person is guiding, that is in my favor. Okay, so I should do like that. It could be better, then you do that. Okay. So
Okay.
if you think like, yeah, it is not serving my purpose, or it is not of like you, so you can go out and what you can do? I am so amazing. I am so awesome. मेरा तो जवाब नहीं. Because whatever lands on your heart, that is on you. That's up to you.
Okay.
Right?
Yeah. Thank you.
Okay, so
और I
can
think
we start?
लोग चाहते हैं कि आप ऐसा सोचो, right? That's why they put some question in your mind, and we start behaving the way they want.
Yeah, they will keep
Yeah.
you, like irritating. They will keep you irritating. They will like keep doing whatever they are doing because they feel like any which way she will remain happy.
Yeah.
Any which way. Because we were the puppet, but up until now. So you have to take out your, remote control back. You
Remote
don't give
control,
your
exactly.
power to anyone. So you have to take
True.
your control back. You have to take your remote control back from them.
Ma'am,
So
just
you
I
have
want
to see
to
why you
add
have given your remote control to them. Take it back. Take your power back.
Yes.
right.
Yeah.
Ma'am,
Right?
yesterday my husband told me that you looks beautiful in the pics only. Okay. I said, okay, as such, I'm not beautiful. I was like, okay, that's your problem. That is not mine.
Mm.
I'm
Right?
so
I know
amazing.
I'm the amazing.
I'm so amazing.
राइट, अदरवाइज
Bro,
वाइफ
dear,
के
you
लिए
are
बहुत बड़ी चीज हो जाती है कि हस्बैंड ने बोला, ओ माय गॉड यू डोंट लुक्स ब्यूटीफुल, बट नॉट, नो दिस इज नॉट
Yeah.
माय प्रॉब्लम।
Because you start loving yourself. You fill
अब
your
ये
own cup.
कंडीशनिंग होती
You
है
fill
ना
your
कि
own love
हाँ,
tank. सबके
एंड
अंदर एक
मोर,
love tank होता है.
राइट मैम,
So we
एक
have to
कंडीशनिंग
fill
होती है
our
ना
own love tank.
कि
We start,
हस्बैंड हमेशा आपकी तारीफ करेगा, राइट, वो शुरू से हमारे माइंड में होता है ना कि हम बहुत
yeah,
ब्यूटीफुल
yes.
लगेंगे अपने आप,
Yeah,
बट
no better half, better half. We are better full.
राइट मैम।
Right? Okay. So welcome to day number 6. Works like magic. The way you do anything, the way you do everything. Look at this. So this is the workplace. Yeah. Okay. So see this. So I want to let you know this thing as well. Like, in 2025, in the end, so I created that vision board. So ये ना ऑफिस देख के मुझे अभी याद आया. So I have also purchased this table and chair. Now there is this in my office, in my room only, in my bedroom, because my son has come now, so he is using that table and chair. Otherwise, my office is in another room. So now I have purchased this table and this chair for me, and I'll be showing you. I'll be sending you the pic as well. So this was there in my vision board. So there were so many things on my vision board. So slowly, like everything, like I'm getting. So in February 2026, I got my car as well. So on my vision board there was this blue car. So I got this blue car. So after that, like within 10 days or within a week, I'll be getting my laptop as well. Now I have like my office. One more office. That is another office. Now this is one more office. So yesterday only I purchased this table and chair. Now this is the office. So I'll be sending you the pic also, okay? सो ये ऑफिस देख के ना मुझे याद आ गया कि माई ऑफिस इज ऑल्सो लुकिंग लाइक दिस. टेबल इज देयर, चेयर इज देयर, सो माई पेपर, नोटबुक, पेन एंड दिस लैम्प इज ऑल्सो देयर. एवरीथिंग इज देयर. माई ऑफिस इज ऑल्सो लुकिंग लाइक दिस नाउ. Okay, so now we will create the magic for our work, for our profession. Okay, so if you take any activity, any artwork, any discipline, any skill, take it and push it as far as it will go. Push it beyond where it has ever been before and push it to the wildest edges of edges. Then you force it into the realm of magic. Okay, so whatever you are doing. So the simple meaning is you have to be in the present and you put your all the senses and you stay happy. Whatever you are doing, do it with your full heart. So whether it is about discipline, whether it is about art, whether you are doing any activity, because everything needs discipline. Everything needs, your mindset, your heart set, your personality set, right? So you have to do it with full dedication, with full happiness. So then only you can create magic at your workplace. So you have to push yourself a little hard, right? And you have to be hard work because hard work always pays off. Hard work always pays off. So how can it be that a person who is born into total poverty, starts out with nothing and has very little education, goes on to become a president or a celebrity or builds an empire and becomes one of the wealthiest people in the world? And how is it that two people can start out in the same career and yet one person's career goes from success to even greater success while the other person works himself or herself into the ground with little success no matter how hard they try? The missing link to success is gratitude. Because according to the law of attraction, you have to be grateful for what you have to attract success to you. So without gratitude, it's impossible to have permanent success. If you want to have permanent success, you have to be grateful throughout your life. Throughout your life, you have to be grateful. Right? So see, how is this possible? The person started with poverty. उसका पूरा मतलब गरीबी में था. How that person became very successful? There are many people you must have seen. They started from scratch. Scratch से start करके now the people are the wealthiest people. किसी को भी देख लो, किसी को भी देख लो. वो धीरू भाई अंबानी थे, वो मुकेश अंबानी थे, हमारे नरेंद्र मोदी जी को देख लो. There are many examples you can see. Those people who started from scratch and now where the people have reached. And why does it happen that two people started in the same company, same career, same thing the people are doing, but one person is becoming very successful, but one person is not getting any success? Why? Because the only difference is gratitude. One person is being grateful, the other is not. Right? So to bring success or increase the good things in your job or work, like opportunities, promotions, money, brilliant ideas, inspirations, and appreciation. It is essential to be grateful for your job or work. The more gratitude you have, the more you will have to be grateful for. And you should be getting the idea by now that to increase anything in your life, you have to be grateful for what you already have. So you have to be grateful for whatever you have, whatever job you have, whatever small or big work. कोई काम छोटा बड़ा नहीं होता. Whatever work you have in your hand. So you have to be very grateful first. And then only you will see that you will see the opportunities, you will see the possibilities, you will see the promotions happening, you will see the money coming, you will see the possibilities, brilliant ideas, motivations, inspiration. You will be getting anything. So you have to be serious about being grateful. Be grateful. Right? So if you want to attract everything, otherwise throughout your life, you will be just chasing and chasing and chasing. But if you are grateful, so you don't have to chase anything, you don't have to chase anybody. You will be attracting, you will start attracting, people will come to you. Out of nowhere, like you will start getting the things. You will start getting the people. You will start getting the opportunities, possibilities. So whoever has gratitude for their work, whoever has gratitude for their work will be given more, and he or she will have an abundance. Whoever does not have gratitude for their work, even what he or she has, that also will be taken away from him or her. So you have to be grateful. So this is the mantra. So you have to be grateful for whatever you have. If you don't have 500, you have 5 rupees. So you have to be grateful for that 5 rupees. So when you are great, yeah, who is this?
Soumya.
Yes, Soumya.
Ma'am, can you give me the precise meaning of abundance?
Abundance means like you have everything in your life, your health sorted, your money sorted, and your relationship sorted, your money sorted, your success sorted. Everything you will have in abundance. Abundance means a big quantity.
भरपूर
quantity.
भरपूर we say
भरपूर मात्रा में
भरपूर
होना. पर्टिकुलर हिंदी में भरपूर होना,
समृद्ध
भरपूरता,
मैम
समृद्धि. हाँ,
प्रचुरता भी तो वही होता है ना,
या सेम,
प्रचुरता
प्रचुरता,
तो वही होता
भरपूरता,
है।
समृद्धि, prosperity kind of. Okay, so you will have that prosperity in your life, right? So when you are grateful, those who are students, so they also can be grateful for if they are not working. So they can be grateful for their parents, for their notebooks, for their friends. So they also have so
For
many
their
things to be
scholarship.
grateful for. Yeah, scholarship, awards. Okay, small wins. Okay, if you are looking for a job, so your interview, wo kaisa gaya, opportunities, possibilities, whatever you have. So be grateful for your small wins. And be grateful the way you are showing up in the session. I'm so grateful the way I showed up in the session. Right? So when you are grateful for your job, you will automatically give more to your work. And when you give more to your work, you will increase the money and success that is returned to you. If you are not grateful for your job, you will automatically give less. Right? So if you are grateful, you will be very happy to do work. You will know more, you will get more. You will get more, you will know more. You know more, you do more, you get more. Right? But if you are not grateful for your job, you will automatically give less. You will not feeling like giving more. So when you give less, you decrease what comes back to you. And as a result, you will never be happy in your work. You will never give more than you will be like, for the sake of, you must have seen many people in their life. The people are doing like, for the sake of doing, they are doing just, but they are not happy inside. They don't even like realize your inner world is creating your outer world. Whatever outer world you see, that is because of your inner world. What is going on inside you? Because you don't get what you want. You don't get what you desire. You get who you are. What is going on inside you? So you will never give more than you have to. And your job or work will stagnate and eventually deteriorate. If you are not grateful, you will give less and everything will deteriorate. Which could mean losing your job. Remember, for those who do not have gratitude, even what they have, that also will be taken away from them. If you are not grateful for what you have, whatever you have, that also will be taken away if you are not grateful. So the amount you give in gratitude is exactly proportional to the amount you receive in return. जितना आप दोगे उतना ही आपके पास आएगा. You control the amount you receive by the amount of gratitude you give. You only control the amount you receive. If you are giving, if you are being less gratitude, if you are being less grateful, so you'll be getting less. So you are only controlling your abundance. You are only controlling your prosperity into your life by being not grateful. So who is controlling your abundance? Who is controlling your prosperity? You only. The more you are grateful, the more you will be getting. If you are a business owner, your business value will increase or decrease according to your gratitude. The more grateful you are for your business, your customers, your employees, the more the business will grow and increase. Those who are thinking of becoming the businessman, or those who are thinking of doing the business. So you have to be grateful for your customer, for your employees, for any leads, for any participants, for any customers, for any clients, for any leads. It is when business owners stop being grateful and replace gratitude with worry that their business spirals downward. Why does the business spiral downward? Why does it happen? Because they are not grateful. Instead of being grateful, they are full of worry. So if they are not grateful, they start worrying. So what does happen? So their business go downwards, right? And if you are a parent, now it is talking about parent. If you are a parent and your work is taking care of children and managing your home, look for the things to be grateful for at this time in your life. It is often a once in a life opportunity. Being grateful, once in a time life opportunity, when you can be grateful for this time. You will attract more support, more help, more beautiful moments, and more happiness to the experience. Because every moment is a new moment. Every lead is a new lead. Every customer is a new customer. Every moment is a new moment. So whatever is happening right now, after 5 times, it will be past. So every opportunity is a once in a life opportunity, right? So we have to be grateful for each and everything, everybody. Those who are stay at home parent. So if you are taking care of your children, so you have to do it happily and you have to enjoy. You have to be joyful while taking care of your kids. जब उनको खाना बना के दे रहे हो, जब उनको सर्व कर रहे हो, जब उनका टिफिन पैक कर रहे हो. Every time you check your energy multiple times. So that is going to be your task for the day up to tomorrow. Okay, so till 9 p.m. tomorrow. So you have to check your energy, how I'm feeling, what I'm feeling. I'm being positive or not. So am I being happy or not? What is my energy? Because your energy, women are the pulse of the house. Pulse. A woman is the pulse of the house. So you are the pulse of the house. क्योंकि सब कुछ यार पूरी दुनिया है हमारे आसपास, पूरी दुनिया है. जो हमारे हस्बैंड हैं, जो इन-लॉज हैं, जो हमारे बच्चे हैं, उनके लिए हम ही तो एक दुनिया है. And the people are observing you, the people are absorbing from you, the people are looking at you. पूरी दुनिया हो आप उनकी, राइट? तो आपकी एनर्जी तो बिल्कुल पॉजिटिव होनी, एंड देयर इज नो अदर ऑप्शन. कोई ऑप्शन ही नहीं है हमारे पास. So more beautiful moments and more happiness to the experience. Now, you should love your job, whatever it is, and be excited about going to work. Wow, this is another day. This is another day. Sometimes वो term आती है आजकल. There are people, they are using like Monday blues. What is this Monday blues? कि Monday होते ही मतलब like weekend we are enjoying, and whenever Monday comes, so like we start like it's kind of blues. So what is this? This is negative term like Monday blues. Why? Yeah, we have to be very excited. New week, new beginning, new start of the day. We have the whole week in front of us. New opportunities, new possibilities. You should love your job, whatever it is, and be excited about going to work. And you should not settle for anything less. And if you'll be very excited, you'll be loving your job, and you will feel like, I am not less. I'm not less than anybody. I'm not lesser. I am more than enough. I am good at whatever I do. If you don't feel that way about your current job, or if it's not your dream job, it's not your dream job. The way to receive your dream job is by first being grateful for the job you have. Whatever is there in your hand right now, first you have to be grateful for that. And you will see automatically, like you will start getting possibilities, opportunities. But first you have to be grateful for whatever is there in your hand. जो आपके हाथ में है पहले उसके लिए तो grateful हो जाओ. Right? Whatever small or big, whatever it is. So you have to be grateful. Today, imagine that you have an invisible manager. So this is the activity for today. Okay, so look at this. Today, imagine that you have an invisible manager. Okay, so आपने एक मैनेजर हायर किया है, ठीक है? तो वो आपका मैनेजर का क्या काम है? See, whose job it is to keep a record of the thoughts and feelings you have about your job. So that manager is standing beside you, and whatever feelings you have, whatever thoughts you have for your job. Okay, so that person is noting down each and everything, right? Whether it is negative or positive. So that person is noting down whatever is going on inside your head. Accordingly, you will be getting the result. It's a kind of genie. Have you seen? Your order is my command. Your order is my command. क्या हुक्म है मेरे आका? So it's kind of that. Okay, so let's say कोई वो manager, वो genie है आपके पास, right? So whatever you are thinking inside your mind, whether it is positive or negative, so your manager, that one invisible manager, is noting down each and everything, whatever is going on inside your head. Imagine that your manager will follow you wherever you go today, poised with pen and notebook in hand. उसके पास notebook and pen है, he is noting down everything. Every time you find something about your job to be grateful for, your manager will make a note of it. Wherever you are being grateful, so he is noting it down. Your job is to find as many things as you can be grateful for. So at the end of the day, your manager has a long list of all your gratitude. So you have to show as much gratitude as you can throughout the day, the whole day, like you have to be grateful. So that he can write down like as many times as you can be grateful. So he's noting down. So make sure the whole day, like thank you, thank you, thank you. I'm so happy, blissfully and joyfully you have to do your work. Keep a smile on your face, whatever you are doing. 24 hours minimum. So till 9 p.m. tomorrow, the whole day, this is going to be your task. So you have to imagine कि एक वो invisible manager आपके पास खड़ा है वो. Right? एक जीनी खड़ा है आपके पास. The longer the list is, the more magic your invisible manager can bring to your money, work, success, opportunities, enjoyment, and fulfillment. So if you want to attract all these things, so accordingly, he will be giving you the money. Accordingly, he will be giving you the success. Accordingly, he will be sending you the opportunities, possibilities. Accordingly, like you will be getting the enjoyment and fulfillment. Right? Understood, everyone? So you have to imagine an invisible manager standing beside you and think about all the things you could be grateful for in your work. To begin with, think about the fact that you actually have a job. Think about how many people are unemployed. So see, I told you that think about the people, how many people are unemployed. At least you have a job. Whatever salary you are getting, 5, 10, 15, 20, 50, 1 lakh, whatever is your salary at present. There are many people who are unemployed, sleeping on the roads, nothing to eat, nothing to wear, no roof on their head. Who would give anything to have a job? वो कुछ भी देने के लिए ready हैं. Who would give anything to have a job? There are people like that who would like to give you कि सब ले लो but बस मुझे एक job दे दो. And at least we people have a job. Think about the time-saving equipment you use, such as phones, printers, the internet, computers, all the gadgets at your place, all the appliances that saves your time. Think about the people. Think about the people you work with and the friendships you have with them. You have people, so many people beside you. Think about the people who make your job easier, such as receptionists, assistants, janitors, and delivery people. You have so many people in your life. You know, beggars, so they can't even think. दे कांट थिंक लाइक उनकी लाइफ में कहाँ से कोई रिसेप्शनिस्ट होने वाली है, कोई असिस्टेंट होने वाला है, कोई जेनिटर होने वाला है, कोई डिलीवरी पीपल होने वाला है। अभी तो हमारे घर में एक के बाद एक, कभी जेप्टो आ रहा है, कभी कभी मीशो आ रहा है, कभी वो फ्लिपकार्ट आ रहा है, कभी अमेजोन आ रहा है, राइट? सो वी पीपल आर सो ब्लेस्ड, सो abundant we people are, we are so prosperous, and beggars are not choosers. Those people who are begging on the roads, beggars are not choosers. उनके पास कुछ चूज करने के लिए नहीं है। हम अलमारी खोलते हैं तो हमें चूज करना पड़ता है कि आज कौन सा कपड़ा डालना है। फ्रिज खोलते हैं तो चूज करना पड़ता है कि क्या खाना है। चूज करना पड़ता है कौन से शूज पहनने हैं, कौन सी ड्रेस आज पहननी है। चूज करना पड़ता है क्या बनाना है। एंड beggars are not choosers. They have nothing. And we are so blessed. Think about how good it feels when you receive your paycheck, and think about the favorite aspects of your job that you love doing. So the whole day we will be thinking about that, right? You know, whenever I used to get my salary, so I always used to send a message to my boss. Thanks for this month abundance. Thanks for abundance of June. Thanks for the abundance of May. Thanks for the abundance of April. When I got to know this, all these things, so I started, sending this message whenever I used to get the salary. So I used to send this message to my boss. Have your invisible manager make a note each time you find something you are grateful for by saying, I'm so grateful for dash. Okay, so today we'll be writing 10 gratitude for the work. Okay, so it could be for your boss, it could be for your colleagues, it could be for your, for your table, for chair, for your workplace, for the opportunities, for the possibilities, right? The more deeply your manager can see you are feeling great gratitude, the sooner your manager can start to make the magic happen in your work. The more magic will be created. It is possible that you could generate so much gratitude for your work in one day that you would see the circumstances instantly improve. कि आप इतने gratitude कर लो कि immediately आपको कुछ magic दिख जाए. That is also possible, right? For some of you, it can take time. For some of you, you can create the magic immediately. It depends on the depth of your gratitude. Lucky breaks don't happen by accidents. There are some people and they say वो luck के साथ हो गया, luck हो गया. No, you have been so grateful. They are simply gratitude's magical power at work. So luck कुछ नहीं होता. It's your power of gratitude. The more you be grateful, the more magic you will create in your life. You are creating magic. If this work like magic practice falls on a weekend, अगर weekend में हुआ, so let's say this is weekend only. So today it is Friday. Okay, so there are many people who will not be going tomorrow and day after tomorrow because for Saturday, Sunday it remains off for many of us. Okay, तो उनको क्या करना है? Because tomorrow they will not be going office. So how they will be feeling gratitude? So what they can do, or when you are not at work, move on to the next day's practice or practices. Okay, so you can do it on Monday as well. So this practice you can do Monday, and any other practice you can do. Then go back and use the magical practice on the first day you are back at work. Okay, so you can do this practice on Monday as well. And if it is working for you tomorrow, so you have to be grateful for 10 things.
Ma'am, we can write more than 10, na? Gratitude.
Yes. That is up to you. The whole day you can write. Whenever you are free, you can write. Start writing. If you are free.
Yes.
So any which way you are free, so you will be thinking negative, right? So start writing. Start writing. जब भी free हो तो 10 उस time लिख लो. But you have to feel. And you have to write it by your own. No ChatGPT. ChatGPT मेरी work के लिए gratitude लिख देना. So he will be giving you 100. But उससे feeling नहीं आएगा. The feeling will create the magic. Right? So वो feeling तो आपके लिखने से ही आएगा. When you will be writing it by your own. Okay, so this is the magic practice. Magic practice number 6 works like magic. Repeat steps 1 to 3 of magic practice number 1. Count your blessings. Make a list of 10 blessings. Write why you are grateful. Reread your list. Say thank you, thank you, thank you. And feel gratitude for each one. Right? Write. While at work today, imagine you have an invisible manager following you around, taking notes every time you find something to be grateful for. Your job today is to look for as many things as you can be grateful for. Okay, the whole day you have to see, like, for the reasons you are grateful for. Have your manager make a note each time you find something you are grateful for by saying, I'm so grateful for dash. I'm so grateful for my boss. Then reason. I'm so grateful for my colleagues. Reason. And feel as grateful as you can. Just before you go to sleep tonight, hold your magic rock in one hand and say your magic words. Thank you for the best thing that happened during the day. These two practices you have to do daily. Count your blessings and magic rock when you sleep. Okay, before you sleep. So now, yes, any question on this? Any question on this? So let me stop recording.